2. Have you ever looked in the mirror after a clay mask and thought, wow, my skin feels so tight and clean, this must be working? I used to think that too, until I learned something that completely changed the way I treat my skin. Because here's the truth. Leaving your clay mask on for 15 minutes, or until it dries, might be silently damaging your skin. Jets, that clean, tight feeling. That's not your pores thanking you. That's your skin screaming for help. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly why the 15-minute clay mask rule is a mistake and how you can fix it today. We'll talk about the 5 bad things that happen when you leave your mask on too long. D. The 5 good things that happen when you use it the right way, and the easy timing trick that saves your skin barrier. So before you apply your next mask, watch this till the end, because your glow might depend on it. I used to love my clay masks. Twice a week, every Sunday, 15 minutes, sometimes even 20. I'd wait until it cracked completely. You know that dry, flaky texture. It made me feel like I was pulling all the dirt out of my pores. But then, I noticed something. My skin started to get rough. My cheeks felt dry, even after moisturizer. My pores looked larger, and my foundation started clinging to dry patches. I thought maybe my cleanser was too harsh, or that I wasn't drinking enough water. But when I saw a dermatologist, she asked me one simple question. How long do you leave your clay mask on? When I said 15 minutes, she smiled gently and said, "That's your problem." I was shocked. All this time, I thought I was helping my skin, but I was actually stripping it. That was the day I learned that timing. Yes, just a few minutes can make or break your entire facial routine. Let's start with the basics. Clay masks are designed to absorb excess oil, unclog pores, and detoxify your skin. They do that by using ingredients like kaolin, bentonite, or French green clay, all minerals that pull impurities to the surface. But here's the catch. They don't stop working just because your pores are clean. Once the mask starts drying out, it keeps pulling, this time from your skin's natural oils. That's where the problem begins. When you leave a clay mask on until it cracks or turns powdery, you're not detoxing anymore, you're detoxing. The longer it sits, the more it sucks away the moisture your skin actually needs to stay balanced and healthy. That's why dermatologists say there are 3 stages to a clay mask. The wet phase, where active ingredients penetrate and draw out impurities. The damp phase, where pores tighten and the mask continues to clean gently. And the dry phase, where it starts pulling water and oils out of your skin. Most people wait until that 3rd stage. That's the mistake. If you can see cracks, it's already too late. Your skin may look smooth right after washing, but hours later, it will feel dry, tight, and sensitive. So, if you've been leaving your clay mask for 15 or 20 minutes, you've been teaching your skin to panic, not to heal. Let's talk about what's really going on under the surface. Here are the 5 bad things that happen when you overdo your clay mask timing. Number 1. You damage your skin barrier. Your skin barrier is like your face's natural shield. It keeps moisture in and bacteria out. When a clay mask stays on too long, it strips away those protective oils. Without that barrier, your skin becomes vulnerable to pollution, bacteria, even sunlight. You might start noticing redness, sensitivity, or that burning feeling when you apply toner. That's your barrier crying for help. Number 2. You trigger excess oil production. Here's something ironic. You're using a clay mask to reduce oil, right? But if you dry your skin out too much, it will produce even more oil to compensate. It's a natural defense mechanism. Your skin thinks it's in danger and floods your pores with sebum. The result? A shinier forehead, clogged pores, more breakouts. That 15-minute mask might be giving you the opposite of what you wanted. Number 3. You increase fine lines and texture. When your skin loses moisture, it starts to shrink temporarily. That tight feeling, it's your skin contracting. Over time, that can make fine lines and wrinkles appear more prominent. Even young skin starts to look textured and tired. And if you wear makeup, you'll notice foundation sitting unevenly, because your skin surface has become rough and thirsty. Number 4. You disrupt your microbiome. Your skin is home to millions of friendly bacteria that keep it balanced and protected. Overdrying with clay masks kills off some of these good bacteria. That leads to imbalance, meaning your skin can't regulate oil, inflammation, or healing properly. It's like overusing antibiotics. It wipes out the good with the bad. Soon you might see random breakouts, redness, or sudden irritation that wasn't there before. And number 5. You waste the benefits of the mask. This one's simple. Once the mask is dry, it stops delivering nutrients. Many clay masks include soothing ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, or niacinamide that work only when the mask is moist. When it's dry, they can't penetrate your skin anymore. So while you think you're deep treating, you're actually getting zero benefit and all the side effects. So, 5 bad things: barrier damage, excess oil, fine lines, microbiome disruption, and wasted nutrients. Pretty scary, right? But here's the good news. You can fix all of it by simply changing your timing and hydration. Taught. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about the good stuff. What happens when you get your clay mask timing just right? Your skin will absolutely thank you for it, and I'm going to share the top 5 benefits you'll see. First up, your skin barrier stays healthy and calm. When you rinse off your mask while it's still damped, that sweet spot between 7 to 10 minutes, you're removing all that excess oil and gunk without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Your face feels clean, yes, but it also feels soft and supple, not tight and stretched. This means your skin barrier remains intact, ready to protect you from pollution and keep your glow going all day long. Benefit number 2. Your pores will actually look smaller. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but it's a fact. When your skin is properly hydrated and clean, your pores aren't constantly stretched out. By masking for a shorter, smarter duration, you lift out impurities while keeping the surrounding skin plump and happy. This naturally makes your pores appear smaller and your skin texture smoother. No harsh scrubs or expensive lasers needed, just smart timing. Third, your moisturizer will work so much better. Think of your skin like a sponge. If it's bone dry, it can't absorb anything. If you wash off your clay mask before it fully hardens, your skin is still receptive and ready to drink up whatever you put on it next. That means your serum or moisturizer will penetrate deeper and work twice as effectively. We're talking more nourishment, better repair, and a faster glow up. This brings me to benefit number 4. You'll help prevent premature aging. Hydration is your skin's #1 anti-aging secret. By keeping moisture locked in, you prevent those tiny microcracks, fine lines, and the breakdown of collagen. A correctly timed clay mask actually supports your skin's elasticity instead of working against it. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. And finally, benefit number 5. You'll see a real glow, not that fake tightness. That dry, stretched feeling you get after leaving a mask on too long. That's not a glow, it's your skin screaming in stress. A true healthy glow comes from Balance.com skin that reflects light evenly. When you shorten your masking time, you're training your skin to stay hydrated, strong, and genuinely radiant. And it's a glow that lasts because it's earned, not forced. So, how do we put this all into practice? Let's build your easy, dermatologist-approved clay mask routine. First, always prep your skin. Start with a clean canvas by using a gentle, non-foaming cleanser. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel, no rubbing. Next, apply a thin, even layer of your clay mask. You don't need thick chunks. It should feel light on your skin. If you have combination skin, you can focus on the oilier areas like your T-zone. Now for the most important part. Watch for the damp look. This is your cue. Once the mask starts to lighten in color, but still feels a bit tacky to the touch, that's your sign. This is usually around the 7 to 10 minute mark. At this point, the mask has done its job. Time to rinse. Use lukewarm water and your fingertips or a soft cloth. Be gentle, no scrubbing required. Immediately after rinsing, follow up with hydration. This is crucial. Apply a soothing toner, a hyaluronic acid serum, or your favorite lightweight moisturizer to seal all that hydration in right away. Remember, frequency matters. Clay masks are a treat, not a daily affair. Stick to once or twice a week, max. Any more than that, and you're just asking for dryness and irritation. A little pro tip: if your skin still feels a bit tight even after a short mask, try mixing a few drops of honey or a little aloe vera gel into your clay next time. This makes the mask both cleansing and hydrating. Before we wrap up, let's bust a few common clay mask myths. Myth number 1. If it's tingling, it's working. Nope. Big nope. Tingling isn't a sign of deep cleaning. It's a sign of irritation. A good mask should feel comfortable, not like it's burning. Myth number 2. The tighter it feels, the better. Absolutely not. As we've learned, that tight feeling means dehydration, not detoxification. Your skin is losing moisture, which is the opposite of what we want. Myth number 3. You need to wait for it to crack before washing it off. This is probably the biggest mistake of all. Those cracks are a visual sign that your skin is over-dried and your protective barrier is being damaged. Myth number 4. Clay masks aren't for dry skin. They can be. You just have to use them correctly. Mix them with soothing, hydrating ingredients like we talked about, and keep the application time short. And myth number 5. Using it more often means faster results. Wrong again. Your skin needs time to rest and recover. Think of it like a workout for your face. Overdoing it leads to stress and damage, not strength and resilience. So, there you have it. The secrets to using a clay mask the right way for happy, glowing skin. I hope these tips help you get the most out of your skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more skincare secrets. See you in the next one. Alright, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot today, so let's do a quick recap. Leaving your clay mask on for 15 minutes. It sounds so normal, almost like a rule, right? But now you know the truth. This isn't just some tiny skincare slip-up. It's a habit that can lead to real problems. Serious dryness, an oil imbalance that makes things worse, irritation, and yes, even signs of premature aging. We talked about the 5 major consequences of leaving that mask on too long. First, you're damaging your precious skin barrier, the very thing that keeps you protected. Second, you trigger your skin to produce even more oil to compensate for the dryness, leading to a vicious cycle. Third, that tight, cracking feeling can actually contribute to fine lines over time. Fourth, you're disrupting your skin's delicate microbiome, the good bacteria that keep it healthy. And finally, you're literally wasting all the amazing nutrients in the mask because your skin can't to absorb them once it's bone dry. It's like squeezing a dry sponge and expecting water to come out. But here's the good news. When you get the timing right, everything changes, too. We also talked about the 5 incredible benefits of washing it off at the perfect moment. You get a healthy, resilient skin barrier. Your pores appear smaller and tighter because they're clean, not stripped. Your skin can actually absorb all the goodness from the mask. You're actively supporting your skin's anti-aging processes, and you achieve that true, lasting glow from within, not just a temporary fix. So, the next time you reach for your favorite clay mask, I want you to remember this one simple rule. Wash while it's damp, not when it's dry. That's it. That one little sentence holds the power to completely transform your skin. I know this because it completely transformed mine. For years, I struggled. My skin just felt confused, sometimes oily, sometimes flaky, always a little rough. I thought I needed more products, stronger products. But the solution wasn't in buying something new. It was in changing my timing. Now, my skin finally feels balanced, it's soft, it's healthy, and it all started with washing my mask off sooner. So today, I have a challenge for you. The next time you plan to do a clay mask, forget everything you thought you knew. Set a timer on your phone for 8 minutes. Not 15, not 20, just 8. When that timer goes off, go to the sink. The masks should still feel a little cool and damp on your skin, especially on the thicker parts. Rinse it off gently with lukewarm water. Then, pat your skin dry and take a really good look in the mirror. I promise you, you will see the difference. More importantly, you'll feel it. That tight desert dry feeling will be gone, replaced by a feeling of soft, supple, clean skin. Your skin will thank you for it, not just in that moment, but for years to come. Your face tells your story to the world. It's so important to protect it, to nourish it. Let's stop punishing our skin in the name of skincare. If this video helped you have a light bulb moment, please share it with a friend who loves clay masks as much as you do. Chances are, they might be making the same mistake you used to. And if you want more real, science-backed skincare advice that actually works, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell. Your journey to your healthiest, happiest skin is just beginning, and I'm so excited to be on it with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.